everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with the favorite soapy Uzalo update. Guys, everyone can die but not Nkunzi. Then what will happen to Sbu? Let's check guys. When Uzalo fans thinks of Nkunzi, dying is the last thing to associate his name with. He is the most dangerous and feared man in KwaMashu, and anyone silly enough to attack him ends in 6 feet. Or ends 6 feet underground. But on the 15th of August, Nkunzi's employee Sbu tries to off his boss. Sbu used the poison to kill his cruel employer, but while Sbu thought he succeeded, the poison only knocked Nkunzi out. He was very much alive and he's going to want retribution. While everyone in KwaMashu thinks that Nkunzi is dead because he's gone into hiding, and Sbu has been telling everyone and anyone who listen what he has done. The gangster is licking his wound, recuperating and gathering his strength. Nkunzi is at home, but he's not welcoming any guest to the public. He is presumed dead. He's silent and nowhere to be seen, but that's part of his plan. You can't get rid of the community landlord that easily after all. While the cat is away, the mice will play, and that's exactly what Sbu and Nkunzi's other rival are doing. Sbu thinks that he is the new big ghost in town because he managed to kill the main man, the most respected person in the community, and as a result he's ready to fill Nkunzi's shoes. Simpiwe says, but even Sbu isn't entirely certain that his plan has succeeded, and his fears comes out when no one is looking. But right now Sbu want to take over one of Nkunzi's biggest business, Kwanjomani. Little does Sbu know that the ghost of his past is going to return in the dark of the night. After spending enough time regaining his strength at home, Nkunzi comes back to the community and shocks everyone with his return from the grave, and no one is more upset than Sbu, and guys, rightfully he's scared too. Nkunzi will come after Sbu and get revenge for trying to murder him. So what's man's living in fear meant to do? Sbu packs his bag and plans to leave KwaMashu before Nkunzi tries to murder him. If he doesn't get away from KwaMashu, it will get messy guys. Contrary to what Sbu fears, he isn't the first person Nkunzi focuses on when he comes back. He's actually got bigger fish to fry, and small mosquitoes like Sbu can wait. Nkunzi vows to get even stronger and go after his enemies guys. So yeah guys, Nkunzi is not going anywhere. He is alive and Sbu is in trouble. He was supposed to make sure that he dies. That brings us to the end of this video guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.